Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to wire transfer money on Wells Fargo. So let's get started. First thing first, sign in to the Wells Fargo Online. As a Wells Fargo customer, you can send a wire transfer using your online banking account. You need to log into your account. In order to do that, go to the wellsfargo.com and enter your login details and then click on sign on. After that, simply click Transfer Pay and select Wire Money. This takes you to the Wire Money page where you can enroll and or begin your wire transfer. If you have not wired money through your Wells Fargo account yet, follow the on-screen prompts to enroll. Now, if you are looking for a fee-free way to transfer money from your Wells Fargo account to another bank account, Wells Fargo also supports GEL. Also, click on Add Receipt to enter the recipient details. Now, you will need to enter details about the person you are sending money to, including the recipient's name and address, the name, address, and country of their bank's routing number, the recipient's bank account number or IBAN. Some countries require additional information such as the International Routing Code or Mexican CLEBE number. Then enter the amount and select a funding account. The maximum amount you can wire from your Wells Fargo account is listed there. If you have multiple Wells Fargo accounts, select the account from which you want to wire money. If you need to wire more than your limit, go to your nearest Wells Fargo branch. Lastly, send the money. Before you wire the money, check the total including fees to make sure you understand how much money will be leaving your account. Once you are satisfied, choose the send option to transfer the funds to the receipt. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.